obi akwawa at the Baba Grace TV. So this is actually amponya kopa Ghana man dey be tough from one. Na we say bia one yaka ehwe nim se be bibi. Sabia mo ka say dey Ghana Police Service for ensa aso ka say Ghana Police Service and that so sabre. We bra oppose for ensa eso mu enete ya ye service. Then ya Israel Kwadwo Safo kantan kankwa semne Kwadwo Safo nana Kwadwo Safo apayin so ka ho bi. Yeah, nti Israel Kwadwo Safo and two other nti ba kon so ka ho ti ya ebedi na ehun komo na also yeah of course so na a member of parliament for Domekwa Benya Honorable Sarah Department Headquarters 2026 and Israel Kwadwo Safo na omwan na call the Greater Accra Regional Police Headquarters no NTV bia ase then almost say chim bi suppose one sabe chim bi oppose for 100 na ma CID for no ne cars anasa ne car bi ho wo no an car mu no the car no na nsi be afenya no nko a and afei omunsasa car adi say sa 2 Glock pistols no emu to the arrest of 2 additional suspects na free and about account say Kwadwo Safo could be put before the court on 23rd June 2026 na yankopon I mean say hwemu oppose for you no omo yo mafam Ghana mra atoto omo ano for ebeka na bibia enso ayasumdwe yes real life no everybody obetimi aboa ti hwemu nti no aye video ni na manfo busa say na what about on one church you see we said the city and this is here aboa ama bibia e boko nti that is Kwadwo Safo cam na Kwadwo Safo ammunition and after 25 rounds of 2 any ade aye kan wasi na ye ne dia but aside on normal say e free na Kwadwo Safo Akofena e cam according to police release omo okay na enyanso nkuto nti ebuzia dia ba no Nyasam get police service. Yes. So that is it. Obeka say on air apostle that arrest ya akoso ho ene nsensem ahodo a user for the na obeka no nye asumdwe esanso abusuan here. Yeah. Nyame nko a at this point in time because nsem no the Kantanka family or the same year 2010 so ene ono ane brother no and obe post this or say instead of contented act, you chose to defend and cobab setting a fine. And instead of saying KBA, so bra, you just actually defend it. Yeah, will be defending soon. One day ba and fast as some a hard one incident, yet 3 and also back. A bit positive for floor. 1 hour ago, I was a bit positive for and your chain brother Safo Akofena and home. And if 2 hours match in the Akako. Then some other pina and as of money be kasa yan shada nyammetry ti na media is me and reporters needing come here ama bibia okay na Jenfi na ba omo say we retrieve here rounds of 9mm ammunition saka the free Kwadwo Safo Akofena came mu ba akode amu hu is a name of Kwadwo Safo Akofena so on say adnesia church mu aka ama bibia and so okay now aside that, the European apnea coin. The check update out of Albany. There have been some amansign. Enra, a brand of Modena and everything. Yet they are someone. Say because a police for na then ya omo na amfa tie ese no ehun yes Kwadwo Safo enya ma bonten a police for be hweye na bibia afa the arrest of Kwadwo. It's tight-lipped on the matter and also on the part of Kwadwo Safo Ghana. Okay we say anka onwunye no no masumdwe boa na emo be say empokra yemfa emra ewie monfa nche na network na ha me 22nd June 2 Limited private security organization Ghana mara estieno sabri die omaje saptumi no Anka Security Services Limited omuntimi nya has with immediate security services omaje die free omo sabri omo de krata ya ba ne de ya omo ka mo bi atese omaje omo yedi omaje free omo nsem ne se it is alleged say and now enra eze kwa the right until omo possess a police ministry of interior say omo say Kantanka Security Service, Anka Security Service, some major license at their film. Since in guarantee. So the private security organization say, yeah, any prescribed. Ghana brother, which is the private security ɛna ɔmo nso abu animtia akɔyɛ na sɛ ɔmo abu ɛyɛ mmara animtia nti saa deɛ wɔsɛ mmara no Ministry of Interior yɛ krataa abɛto dwa after ɔmo saa nominations as well as security akotru so ɔmo sɛ yɛ man Ghana mu ha sɛ ɔyɛ private use etuo ɛne akɔdeɛ ahodoɔ a yɛ movement no etia mmara sɛ anka security services sɛ animuanimu yi a kɛbi wɔn ɛyɛ no ɔmo bɛyɛ bi akosi a ɔno kɔ bi wɔn bi abibie na yɛten sɛ thorough investigation ti ɔmo nyinaa wie na afɔ ɔmo wie na Ministry of Interior then na nhwɛmu no bɛkɔ akosi awie no the Ministry of Interior sɛ ɔmo ka services adwumakuo no sɛ ɔmo hwɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛka abom the public is assured that the public is assured that to safeguard public safety and security while investigations are ongoing of the investigation and in accordance with the laws and regulations governing Kantanka security operations. The general public is further entreated to report any the private security organizations are reminded of the that's why yes organization found to be in breach of the law unfair reference Emma the laws of our land there be a basa our land obiana won to be able to know almost on so ahwe say afiti organizations no almost na Kantanka de ya o band na won to be so mutu e fam dem na de ya so twen e de ya na e ba abonten a osoafo a on na ye minister of federal notice copy say empanyfo be ye enti Frank May is good to hear